Hi, this is Ty Hadarali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer who concentrates in employment law in New Jersey and New York. So many years after New Jersey legalized marijuana use, there's still numerous questions that surround the workforce with regard to what employees' rights are with regard to the utilization of marijuana and what employers' obligations are with regard to monitoring employees' use of marijuana in New Jersey. So it all started with the Compassionate Use Medical Cannabis Act, which was passed in New Jersey, which legalized the ingestion of marijuana for medical purposes. And subsequent to that, employers were in a tizzy saying, okay, well, what do we do now? How do we administer a drug-free workplace if marijuana is legal in New Jersey? And in the case of Wild versus Carriage Funeral Holdings, Inc., that case is a seminal case, which really strikes the balance between the respecting the law and respecting the law against discrimination, but also allowing for a drug-free workforce. And in that case, Wild was a funeral director, and he informed the home that he was taking marijuana. He then failed a drug test, and they fired him. The courts grappled with this issue of, well, what do we do when marijuana is legal? And they said, well, in this situation, the employer was not able to show that Wild's utilization of marijuana in any way impacted his duties as a funeral director. Furthermore, Wild was not doing marijuana during normal working hours, which can be prohibited by employers. And the court therefore ruled in favor of the plaintiff, in favor of Wild. And it really strikes the balance of, if you're an employer, you have to be able to articulate some impact that's occurring with regard to the employee's utilization of marijuana, like a performance issue, something like that, before you just pull the trigger and fire the person just because you know that they are ingesting marijuana. This is Ty Hadarali. Be safe and be well.